Alright guys, 3 o'clock in the night. Yep. Wife woke up. She wants tea and biscuit. Yeah. Fairface. The road to fatherhood. Man, I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I gotta get a tea. Yes, guys. That's what she wants. Mm-hmm. There you go.
I'm sipping the tea like some granny. Grandma sip tea.
Good morning to my viewers and subscribers. Thanks for coming. Appreciate the support. So it's day 2 on the journey of wifey pregnancy, and I'll be documenting the whole journey. So hope you guys, stay with me throughout the journey. We appreciate the support and the love that you've been giving us so far. Just fixing some breakfast for wifey this morning. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do a little omelette for her with red plantain and bread. Yes. I got a slice of my onion and stuff. I'm gonna blanch those. Gonna grease the pan with some olive oil. That's good. Alright guys, so I'm doing the eggs. Just doing 4 guys. Just gonna do 4 guys. Put a black pepper, pinch of salt. Yeah, you catches that. Yes. looks nice. Alright guys, so as you can see, I grated some cheddar cheese on the top for wifey. Just gonna cover it and let it just do its thing. Cheese melt nicely into the egg. It's gonna be good. Just cover it up. Look at that guys. Nice. There she is over there. Yeah.
Okay.
Say the pan phone and sleep, you're supposed to sleep.
Just wake up and check your account. Check your channel.
Okay. Alright. Alright.
Terrible. Just can't sleep at night time.
Gosh. So you go. So you're not in trouble, you're not in trouble yet. Look at the expression, guys. Yeah, me did warn you. Me didn't warn you. But you never listen. Alright guys, so you see what's happening right here? Didn't have any milk to put in it guys, but not bad. Smells nice. Don't have a toaster oven guys, but she wants her bread to be toast, so I'm just gonna use the same frying pan. Put the bread and toast it in the frying pan.
Why cannot?
It's just stuck here, that's all. I better get a raise for this stuff.
Listen. Listen, it's good. It's coming on. Eat this. Eat how?
You know the nice and then try.
Yeah.
Listen.
That's some mayo. Uh-huh. Awesome. Hmm?
They don't feel like I want to vomit or not. Good? Sure?
Yeah, and it's clean.
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay, so look, okay.
More just cleaning.
Up in your head, the healing has gone in all different directions. No, sir.
Yummy.
Hmm?
Yummy. This one? This one? Easy. They say one day this will be behind.
She get one slice of bread and look there. Yep. Still not eat after one slice. Your belly full, don't you?
I can't eat alone.